A completely new feature on the Huawei Watch Fit 3 is a calorie management app where you can enter your foods and also track additional calories that you consume throughout the day. However, I find it not very good at all. So let's launch it and see what it looks like. So when you open your apps, this is the app basically. So, and this is what it looks like. It shows you basically how many calories it has. You have like spent today, and also basically how many you have eaten, and also your calorie deficit basically as well. You can also swipe like this to see your like intake of today, and you have to log into this basically. Also you can see your burned calories, resting and active calories. I haven't worn this watch today. Okay, one thing that is completely retarded about this app is that you can't log your calories basically on the watch itself. It's so stupid, really. So you have to basically go to your phone app. You can see what you have logged in today, but you have to literally go and open your phone to log this stuff. This is completely crazy. But okay, let's see how it looks like on the phone. And in the phone app, click on your weight management, and here you can basically click these breakfast, lunch, dinner, add, so, or extra meal. Okay, you have to select. Basically, yeah, this app needs some work. They should really have looked at other watches that has this. And for example, it's a faff to use, and really, also you can scan your barcodes here. Also in this app, I can't see that you could like add like that you have consumed 100 grams of apples, and it would calculate how much calories is that. So I actually kind of have to know that calories. For me, that's not a problem, but I know some people like that. Also, you can see your stats here as well, your daily deficit, intake, and average burn. Obviously, you can scroll it. So I have this basically brand new watch, so it won't show you anything for me. Then, for example, let's see the app on a Samsung watch. So this also has a calorie tracker, and this is actually very good. You can enter calories from the watch itself, click enter, and then select basically how many calories you have consumed, and it automatically adds and counts up. Click enter more, and done. Basically it's so swift, easy, and so effective to use. This one, it's complete garbage really. In like I mean, it's obviously still usable, but again, you have to use your phone with this thing. It's kind of like it's not as smooth and fluid basically to add stuff. So also you need internet connection, and kind of lags sometimes. So yeah, it's like you can see you can add your food name here as well, but it can't calculate, I think, that stuff directly from food names. So this app, yeah, I'm not a fan of it basically. If you want a good calorie tracker, get one of those Samsung watches. Those are absolutely great. Anyway, if you want to see more videos about this Huawei Watch Fit 3, then make sure to subscribe, as I have plenty more coming very soon. See you!